Welcome guys to another video. I guess I have been doing a lot of cryptocurrency content over the last few days, but it's been an increasing crypto week. What do I mean by that? There has been ups and downs. It's been a roller coaster for most of the people, including myself. So if you're anything like me, definitely want to know a little bit more on different kinds of information. And today I'm going to go aside. I'm going to talk about not an affiliate program, not part of the pro system. It's something that I have been doing over the last few months and I am enjoying it. So I just wanted to share this with you. If you do want to get into what I'm talking about, or do you want to have some funds with it, then it's up to you. If you're just watching this video as an update and you're already thinking of Electroneum, yes, Electroneum is what I'm going to talk about today. If you are already in Electroneum and just watching this for an update, and great, that's good on you. I'm happy for you. Like I said, if you want to work with me personally, the way I do it, the way I work with every single person that passes by from YouTube or any other way, is there's a link in the description, guys. It's called the Pro system. It's my system, and I can work directly with you as a member of that system. Okay, as free to join as a member of the system, but you can go through the system and actually get an amazing support from my side. That being said, hit the bell notification for future updates on videos if you have subscribed. If you have not subscribed, then subscribe. As simple as that. Okay. Let me get into it, guys. I am on CoinMarketCap at the moment, and as you can see, it's again a bloody market, as I say always. Okay, on my videos. This advice that I'm giving is not financial advice at all. It's just my journey and my opinions that I'm sharing with you on this channel. It is not financial advice. I cannot stress on this fact. Okay. So I'm on CoinMarketCap right now, and you can see all the different coins right here. The current situation of most of them. Not pretty good, right? But like I said before, we're going to focus only on Electroneum. So let's go and see Electroneum. Because the market is the way it is, even Electroneum has dropped down. Okay, it's dropped down. But there's still some good news. So I'm going to go to the website and blog, and let's look at some new news that's come out. So this is the latest news. They have a new contract with a mobile company. They have a mobile app, guys. If you haven't seen the mobile app, then just go to, for example, Electroneum app. Okay, let's go to Google Play Store, for example, and you're going to see this is the app. Okay, the app allows you to do, and I have this app as well, it allows you to cloud mine. Okay, sorry, it allows you to mine directly from, not cloud mine, sorry, it allows you to mine directly from your phone. Okay, so Electroneum has done something a little different. They put the mining in the hands of each and every individual. All you have to do is put start mining, and it takes the hash power from your phone. Doesn't heat up your phone at all, honestly, and it mines certain hash power for you. And there's a pending balance, which means you need to reach the minimum amount of ETN in order for you to get withdrawn that. Okay, it's not. It's a nice system the way it works, and if you have your phone, I don't know, for a meeting and it's running, and you say, hey, I would still want to make, I want to make something during this time, then definitely you can use the miner and just keep the miner on. It's not going to affect anything. It can be running in the background. You can use your phone. You can get a call. You can do everything, and the miner is still running in the background. So why not have it, right? It's literally telling you, why not have it? Use it. Empower the product. I always say this: empower the product and empower yourself. Empower the product, empower yourself. Okay. This is how it looks on the app. Each time you have 10, it goes out and comes to you and sent. And you can refer people as well. I honestly don't. I just mine myself, so you won't find a referral link of Electroneum in this video, for example. But if you want, you can. This is the app, as I said. Okay, so mobile, and so having another contract with a mobile company is a really cool thing. Okay, it's a really important thing, and that they're promoting it. Another thing that they just did is that they announced a beta version of instant payments. Now this is really cool. I'm going to put this on mute so you just see. But this is Electroneum has already made a contract. As you can see, it's a patent pending status, but they have a beta version for a vendor application already. And this is a test of that. So you have the app, you go to the vendor, you select the method, and it's instant payment there. Okay, you get a bill, and this is paid in pounds. I cannot stress on the fact that Electroneum has been taking leaps and bounds, and as they said, they are going towards what they're really good in their marketing, but they're going towards what they want to achieve in the global marketplace, which I respect a lot. As an ICO, as an initial coin offering, people always exaggerate. Electroneum has not only proved that they can do it, it shows that they are going places. Okay, they are empowering the people, the common people, and everyone else in the world with a cryptocurrency which can be stored and mined in the palm of your hands. So that's an update from my side. I just want to let you know that there are some amazing news. As you can see, just go to news on this channel. If you want, I can leave a link below, but you can see that there have been quite a few things happening on the BCI summit. The keynote speech was done by Richard, which is a blockchain summit, by the way, was done by Richard Els, who is the CEO of Electroneum. So he's not hiding. He's there to speak. He's there to talk to everybody, and he's there to show them the code, the way the mobile app works. It took a while for it to get started, but he's doing it ethically. And this is why I support Electroneum all the way. So if you don't have the app, download the app and start mining Electroneum immediately, okay? Have a great day. My name is David Pindo. They also call me Tips with Dave, and I'm going to see you on the next video, and hopefully it's not a cryptocurrency video. Have a great day, and have a good weekend.